Through the Volatility Index, we track worldwide demand and suppliers' capacity to meet that demand in a monthly survey of 27,000 businesses. In August, global purchasing activity contracted at the fastest pace this year as manufacturers worldwide retrench. Here in North America, suppliers reported a strong rise in excess capacity and the softest demand in 9 months, led by a slowdown in factories here in the US. In Asia, suppliers which had experienced growth in the first half of 2024 are now also reporting spare capacity, especially in China, offsetting the growth that is happening in India. Conditions in Europe, where manufacturing is in a recession, worsened further. In contrast to the continent, UK manufacturers continued to be fully utilized. What is most concerning in our August data is that manufacturers are aggressively drawing down their inventory, suggesting that they're preparing for a sustained soft period. To head off a material slowdown in the second half of the year, governments will need to start lowering interest rates. Just as important, the US, China, and the EU need to avoid raising tariffs and even more trade barriers. To download the full report, visit GEP.com. I'm Neha Shah, President of GEP.